Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to stop PowerPoint from automatically resizing text and turn off the AutoFit text fix permanently. This instantly blocks the software from forcefully shrinking your typography layout or squeezing your line breaks when you add extra sentences, keeping your presentation slide designs completely uniform across your entire project. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu row and click on File. Look at the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and click directly on Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Proofing tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Move your eyes to the very top section layout and click the large button explicitly headed Autocorrect Options. A secondary properties box will open instantly. Locate and click on the internal tab pane explicitly labeled Auto Format as you type. Look under the middle section header explicitly labeled Apply as you type to find your typography scaling choices. Locate the two specific setting checkboxes explicitly labeled AutoFit Body Text to Placeholder and AutoFit Title Text to Placeholder. Click both tracking boxes to uncheck them completely and freeze the automatic real-time font downsizing engine. Click the OK button at the bottom of the autocorrect window. Then click OK again on the main configuration panel to lock your choices into the system core. Alternatively, if you are working inside an active slide box layer right now, simply click the tiny flashing AutoFit Options Smart Tag icon button that pops up next to your overflowing text block and select Stop Fitting Text to this placeholder. And that's it. Your manual text sizing constraint slide layout configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.